Yeah, after putting out more than 350 videos over the span of a few years, coming up with one YouTube short is easy. But at this stage of the game, trying to batch them by coming out with 30 each with its own title, hook, idea, and CTA is where the headache starts. Okay? So today, I'm seeing if I could plan an entire month of original shorts without leaving ChatGPT and without copying and pasting anything into another platform. Gamma just launched new connectors for ChatGPT and Claude, and I'm using the ChatGPT connector to see if I can go from absolutely no content plan to 30 videos ready to start filming, all from one conversation. Yes, this video is sponsored by Gamma. But first, my name is Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get productive. The first thing I need to do is connect Gamma to ChatGPT. Okay, I want to connect Gamma with ChatGPT, so I have to go to the left-hand side where it says plugins. Click on plugins. Here are some of the plugins that work with ChatGPT. Okay, you have Canva, Gmail, Google Drive, you have Slack. There's so many that works with ChatGPT. The one I want to work with ChatGPT today is Gamma. Okay, so I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to type in Gamma. That's one of my favorite plugins, right? Okay, so we're going to type it in, search plugins, Gamma. Now, Gamma's going to come up and here we go. Create presentations, okay? You can do all kinds of things with Gamma. Now I'm going to connect this plugin with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to work with Gamma and make these beautiful professional content. Okay, now what will allow ChatGPT to do? Okay, let me tell you. With ChatGPT, you'll be able to create Gamma in your workspace. You'll be able to export Gammas as PDFs, PowerPoints, or image files. There's so much you can do. In order to do that, you have to allow it to connect with ChatGPT. So I allow it, press the allow button. Now it's connected. It says Gamma is installed up top. Look right there. There you go. Once Gamma is connected, I can use it directly inside my ChatGPT conversations. That means I don't have to generate my ideas here, copy everything, open another platform, and rebuild the information from scratch. I can go from brainstorming to something structured, visual, and presentable without interrupting my workflow. Gamma also works with Claude, but for this time around, I'm using ChatGPT because it's already part of the way I plan my content. For this project, I want ChatGPT to help me plan 30 days of original YouTube shorts for Inside Your Hustle. But I don't want a basic list of random video topics. No, I want each idea to include enough information to help me actually start creating the video. So now we're going to go into try and chat. Okay, so click on try and chat. And we got to put a prompt in, right? They already have a prompt, but we're going to change it. Make a Gamma pitch deck about new hotels. No, that's not what we're about to do. Gamma, based on my Inside Your Hustle channel and content style, create a 30-day YouTube short strategy focused on AI tools, creative tools, and practical side hustles. Every idea should be original and forward-looking. Do not reference any of my sponsorship partner deals, any of that. Include video title, opening hook, main idea, call to action, all right? This is with Gamma. You see the little G right there? That's Gamma right there. They're about to give me a whole deck, okay, for 30 days of ideas, okay? Now, look at this. They are coming up with all the different ideas that I can use for my shorts each day of the week, okay? A hustling idea. Okay, now let's see. The calendar is organized. They're going to give me a whole deck of ideas. Remember, now I go to open the new 30 days of fun side hustles deck, okay? Now it's going to contain all these different ideas for a short. We have to click on open link, okay? Now we're going to see what it came with. Oh, wow. I couldn't think of all these ideas. So look what putting ChatGPT and Gamma together did for me. This came out amazing. Wow. Day 1. Day 2, make a main character film. Look at his animated birthday invites that. Wow. Okay, so I am going to change that that picture right there, right? The image. So I go to edit image. All right, once you click on edit image, you have options to edit from different images from different places. Okay, you can upload from AI images, web images. I'm gonna use the web. Okay, a vibrant. That's not we're gonna put our own prompt in now. Okay, if you enhance prompt, just saying party planner, it enhances it to an illustrated party planner, design vibrant animated birthday invitations. Look, here you go with playful characters. Now you want to tell somebody to do animated birthday parties, you can put a picture in, and now you can also make it a post. I'm going to choose the first one, all right? I like the one up top the most. Okay, so there you go. You put that image in, and now you not only have a YouTube short, now you can make it a post. You can make that a post. Give people ideas how to make some side money, right? Some hustle money right there. So we're going to do another one. Edit the image. Okay, so now you can go from stock photos, web AI. I'm going to stock photos, a scavenger hunt. Do you know you can get paid making scavenger hunts for people for birthday parties? Okay, you can now build a personalized scavenger hunt. You can do this for birthday parties, for adults and kids. It is so much fun, and people will pay you to do that. Okay, and then look at this. Day 5, turn doodles into digital stickers. Kids love stickers. Adults love stickers. You stick it on everything. Your little pictures can be turned into stickers now. Family game night, you can put things like that together. All right. So there's so many custom comic strips. You can do that. Turn your photos into one. Help people with making over their bedrooms. Okay. Cooking ideas. You could turn your cooking ideas to a whole book calendar. Okay. Each day a different cooking idea. There's so many different ideas now. I'm going to be talking about each day of the week. These are going to be some of the shorts, so stay tuned and check out all my different shorts. And I'm going to be posting these because they got these beautiful pictures from Gamma. I'm going to make them as a post. I'm going to have them on Instagram. I'm going to make them a post on Facebook. So now you're going to see my posts and the videos. Okay. So now after I have my 30 days of ideas, which I'm going to use probably all of them, right? I'm asking Gamma, can you help me put together a September 2026 calendar where I can post one post per day, form the 30 days of fun side hustles deck, okay? So based on that deck, ChatGPT is going to come up with a whole calendar, and Gamma is working together, and they're coming up with a beautiful calendar for me. Here we go. September 2026, a daily side hustle calendar, content calendar. Now, every day of the week, I should be putting out a brand new short, okay? And a post about the short. So if you miss my short, you can read my posts, okay? I can go as detailed as doing it daily. I can have information, I can break it down and have it done daily. So now that one idea, they can break it down even further for me. What to record, the opening hook, the hustle offer. It can go so deep into that one short. The post time, my call to action, it can go so deep. September 2nd, what's my main character? That's the idea. How it's going to go about, what's the call to action. All of that can be broken down for me, so I won't have a problem posting and I won't have a problem recording it. You see, even gives me the call to action. So this is fantastic. If you put Gamma and ChatGPT together, there's no excuse now why you can't have ideas, post every day, shorts. You can really do this as a content creator. Ooh, wasn't that fun today? All those ideas for shorts and posts. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to record them. Okay. If you already use ChatGPT or Claude to brainstorm, plan projects, or organize your work, Gamma's new connectors can help you take that information one step further. Okay, instead of allowing your best ideas to stay trapped into a conversation, you could turn them into something visual, useful, and ready to share. Yes, use my link in the description to try Gamma. Connect it to the AI tool you already use and see what you can create without leaving your conversation. Yes. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this information, don't forget to smash the like button, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try creating with Gamma. Yes. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.
Just one smart connection and a brand